Hey, Cheyenne,
Hi.
Caitlin here. Cheyenne, say hi. We're gonna go see the chickens. Well, not the chickens yet. The baby chicks. We just got done seeing cows. Having fun there?
Gotta go see the chick.
Gotta go see the chickies. This is our garage. Tweet, 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 tweet. Okay.
What's the woman here?
Jeez. Here's big chicks. I'm gonna let Shane hold it for a little bit while I pick up the first one. Attempt to.
We have chickies.
I'll pick up this one.
Chickies.
You hold it with his feet, right?
Hi, chickies. Yeah, you gotta support the feet. You gotta support the chick. Say hi, chickie.
This one's squirmy.
Yeah, 'cause it's the darker one.
We came in here last time. They were fine.
Hi, chickies.
Chickies. You want money? You want money?
And that's what you feed them.
Yeah.
Then you just give them water to drink. And that little thing, that round thing. And there's the food. There's them eating the food. And
I put him down.
There's the lamp that we get warmth from.
Yeah.
Keep them warm. It's really warm in here right now.
Mm-hmm. You want to hold chick?
Yeah.
Okay. She's pro at this.
Hey, chickie. That's a squirmy little chick. Yeah. Say hi, chickie. Hi. Say hi. This squirmy little chick. Yes, you are. Okay. Yeah. Say hi. Yeah. Okay.
Yep, these are the chickies. Then we're gonna go see the cow next, the baby cow. It's nice. These are chickies, and then we have to go across. We have to shut the door to keep them warm, because they have to stay warm. Otherwise, they'll die, right?
Yep. You light on.
So, what do you guys do when the chickens are fully grown? Do you just awesome? This is our farm. Oh yes, my favorite cow. Doesn't really stink in here. It's, you know. Well, this is our cow.
No, it's the calf.
The calf. He likes to lick you.
See? Licky.
Right now he's eating. Yeah. You wanna hold the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it likes me, but you gotta pull it slowly.
You can't startle it. Or it'll get still scared and
dog,
jump
yeah.
back.
See?
Let him lick you.
He licks me. He licks me. He licks me. Oh yeah. He licks me.
He's licking.
Yeah. Hold on. Oh. Now it's
Licking
trying-
my pants.
Yes, licking my pants. They taste so good. Yes, they do. Oh.
You scared him. That's how you scare people. And
So
there's
is
the
this your
hay.
show cow?
No, it's my brother's.
Is it gonna be?
Pants again.
Is it gonna be
There's the
another
four-wheeler.
show cow?
It's really hard and muddy. Look how muddy that is. Probably all the rain we have. My socks are wet right now.
Yeah. We
I think he loves your pants. He loves them.
You stupid cow! You're gonna get your freaking head stuck in there. Is his head stuck?
I hope not. Come on.
Shaking his head is stuck.
No, it's not. See, there he goes. He's all right. He's cold. He's shivering. And there's his halter, which I don't know why it's not on, but
yucky animal feed. Well, it's yucky to us, but to him it tastes good.
there's his feed. This is water, which isn't that good right now. There's his feed bag. Woo! There's the bottle he started out with. He started with a milk bottle.
We should go full bag.
There's the dirty 4-wheeler.
Do you know how to drive it?
Yeah. Look at that lip and teeth until that's totally used.
We should drive it later. Do you want to go ride it later?
Sure.
And there's the yucky, part of the place. It actually doesn't stink in here, does it?
No,
We're kind of used to it though, because we live,
I'm used to it.
we live in a small town, so like
Small old town. Less than 1,000 people.
750.
Yeah.
We're gonna go show the cats. I got it. So we're
The
gonna
cat.
show the cat.
The cow walking up over there.
Cows. I'm a slow poke, right, Cheyenne?
Yeah.
And here's the flowers. Oh gosh, I did not mean to zoom up on that.
And it was flooding rain.
Just walking. And we're walking after midnight in the morning. Kitty cats, they like to crawl on the screen. Living in the farm life. Here's a cat.
It's a cat.
Cats. We just fed them. And look, we just put food in their bowl.
How
Now
much
look.
do they have left? Like, nothing.
Yeah,
They don't need bed anymore because they
We
get
already
fat.
fed them. And then here's our backyard.
Yeah, slightly in the backyard. Well, forest.
Farmland. There's a cow. And I guess that will be the closing of our video.
And there's the pond over there that's all flooded. These times of rain.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Wait. Goodbye. Goodbye.